You get it yet? You get it?
Yeah, she hit it.
Look at all those eggs. Oh my goodness. Ants are getting eggs. And you go put them down the hole to make them fill up?
Yes. Oh, look at them. Look at those. They're just going down, down, down.
They're going up, up, up.
There's an egg.
Because we took the rock away, they're afraid now and they're moving them. They're trying to put them all away so we can't get them.
Die! I'm gonna steal some.
They're protecting them. No. Ew.
Ew. I got your one.
There was 6 posts.
Ew, 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 ew. This is an earthworm.
Oh, it's an earthworm? Look at that. That's awesome.
I know, it's moving too. I don't know why it's moving, but it's just running away.
Well, it's probably looking for food.
What do they like? Do they like leaves?
I'm not sure what they eat. I will have to look it up.
Whatever they eat, it's definitely leaves or
Maybe.
flowers.
Maybe.
But they eat acorns.
I think those might be too big. Wow, look at that. Isn't that cool how it moves?
Oh, the spiders.
All right, Austin, what do you think that is?
I don't know, maybe it's like a worm, but bigger.
I don't know.
It's a big worm.
I don't know. Mommy said a grub, maybe. Oh, it's gross looking.
It is. It's like see-through.
If you don't have any food, you eat those.
Oh, you're right. If you don't have any food and you're out lost in the woods, yes, you can eat grubs. Absolutely.
But they have to be dead.
Good thinking.
Good job, Oz.
Grandpa told me that.
Grandpa told you that? Well, he's really smart. That's really cool.
Let me make it up with my stove.
I don't know that I'd want to be eating that, though.
Is that a beetle?
Is it a beetle? I think so. Let's see.
Won't sting or bite.
Do you see it?
It's right there.
It's right there. We think we can get him to walk a little bit.
This one.
Be careful.
There you go. He walked a little bit.
He walked a little bit. Go ahead, see if he'll walk again. Move the shell that he's on. Be careful. That's okay. That's okay. Let's let him go. All right, he's good. He's good.
Every time I touch him, he moves.
Yeah, a little bit. He's a little bit afraid, probably. All right. Huh, I think it is a beetle, some kind.
Let me alone.
There he goes.
He's like, leave me alone.
He's saying, leave me alone.
Yeah.
All right, say bye, beetle.
Bye. He's still here.
I see him.
Let me get a stick.
Be careful, be careful. All right, he's okay. All right.
I'm trying to get him like sideways.
That's okay, very good.